Hayi namkena kambe ka Master Xitsonga Ananesti Lloyd umuntu of course yeah ita khela la timhaka ta Cool B na mhaka leyi nga kona man yeah, so hi swona kahle ku rhanga ku nghena hi comment hi 18 ta July from Mr. Ringanisa kwalana hi kumisa ku Master T mi swi twini swa accident ya Cool B so poster khona hi chekini but I was like swi tshikisa sweswo as Master T however ne after loko yi na post leyi fike sheriwa hi Mthimbani was like as Master T ta zi mhaka leyiwa hi ta commenta hi yona man so if fika tag that post ya Cool B ta tlhe yi tlhelela ngopfu yela ngopfu yona a fika tsala ku I don't have an idea what happened but you have survived a poison now it's a car crash as you can see leswi Mthimbani nga fafisara swa swona ku poison a swi ta ku i survive in then swa kumisa ku swi survive accident that's grace upon you bro. The enemy has evil intentions but God has plans. Just keep yourself under the umbrella of his glory, you won't go wrong. We thank him for your life. Ja bless. And stuff like that. So if you can post le Mthimbani so you go 3.2 yeah, K likes as you can see Cool B of Bama concern kona. But mina post le ani jokes sunya Cool B phela before. Hasunga report angolonda video ko konja huko. Yes, and if ka tsela ko we ho sen cancer vutomi byanga. Okay, even then I figured that car of course I can't even various comments swi tikomba ni nga ri nexe ka mhaka leyi so mani hi checking post leyi about mina a ni voni ku humelele nchumu hi movha like in terms of like car crash or accident loko hi khe hi cheka movha leyi a ni fike ni yi zooma hala ka we hi tekateka hela ka gallery hi kota ku zooma even furthermore swi kota ku komba I mean like mina hi chekisisini tanihileswi na van'wana va nga swi vona ku va nga vuli ku bayisikini mara mina loko ni yi cheka for example hi vone ni fenda leyi hala my one leya left fender la yi tikomba yi ri kahle hi nota na right fender hi yemo swona ku like a swi tikomba ku na damage yo karhi like yi va yi nga yi petsekini hi cheka na bonnet la henhla loko ho ve hi cheka kahle yi intact bonnet ri intact la hi nota na ka crumple zone hi yemo loko nsimbi leyiwa yi tikomba ku yi straight like a yi tikomba ku yi ve ka accident sort of hi nga swi vula xitano ku twisa ka mina la so swi clear ku movha leyi ya Cool B tanihi ntolovelo hi ro sungula yi va na ti-issues swa ku maybe yi nga va yi bed top or something ku ve humele swin'wana hi engine leswi hi nga ta swi vurisa swona so obvious vulo susa bamba ra mechanic hikwalani ku va kota ku accessa kahle engine swiloko leswi va tirhisaka xiswona vo susa la bamba ri leyo ku vhevhela a ni swi cheke minkarhi loko Cool B a fika staka side ra hala Moriya hala amens kambe ate amens sweswi and stuff like that so anyway search about the movie like even brand in overall Citroen mi kuma ku yi unreliable swinene movha leyi very unreliable so it's a car leyi nga nani ku va yi nga onhaka or ku endleka swin'wana and stuff like that so swi loko laha yo onhaka swin'wana hi nga swi teka tano but of course I agree ku ri Cool B it tirhisa some sort of or some form of a deception ku va a tsala dispose because if ka tsala ku wo hosi na cancer vutomi byanga like i swi endla as if yena ku humelele hi swin'wana swa danger yo karhi swo fambisana movha ku vhevhe loko khe hi vona kona swona ku tlhatlhekeni na mahlweni laha vhele to an untrained eye munhu a nga fili na ku a wu tlumba ku ri kani a wu tlumbanga swona ku intact everything swi kahle swi kahle everything na mathayere ma vona a wu jikangi nchumu a ku petsekangi nchumu laha everything swi kahle la and stuff like that ma vona mhaka leswi hi leswo Cool B a nga zanga humelela hi accident yo tsala post yena hi mixaka wo karhi swi ndla as if accident loko munhu wo ka a nga swi chekisangi kahle kutani ku fana swi hi nga ti ta zumazuma kahle la and stuff like that hi leswi loko ku ri a mi nge zami subscribe a ni ta kombela mi tlika subscribe
unjhani nkaka kweleni ni vula nkaka wu le ku nandziheni yo tana chipisi ni ku luma ya ku luma bya pisi